Welcome to SatX. Today's topic fraction. We will convert improper to mixed fraction by long division method. Look, last video we are watching similar math but without long division method, but this video I am trying to solve this one by long division method. Let's start. So number 1, 13 by 4. So here we have to divide this 13 by 4. How? Look, 13 we can write 4 times 3 is a 12, right? 3 is a 12. So once we make subtraction from 13, it will be 1. So our answer is this 3 is a quotient, 1 is a remainder, and denominator will be same. So we can write 3 1 by 4, right? So 3 times 4 is a 12, 12 plus 1 is a 13. Number 2, here is 17 by 6, 17 by 6. So 17 once we divide, so 6 times 2 is a 12, and minus 17 minus 12 is a 5. So 2 is a quotient, 5 is a remainder. So we can write 2 then 5 by denominator will be same, which is 6, right? Now number 3, it's a very simple. Number 3, 55 by 6. So 55 once we divide by 6, so 9 times 6 is a 54. So 55 by 50 minus 54 is a 1. So 9 is a quotient, r is a remainder, 1 is a remainder. So our answer is 9 1 by 6, because 6 always same, which is denominator. So number 4, 45 by 7. So 45 once we divide by 7, 6 times 7 is a 42. So once we make subtract from 45, it will be 3. So 6 is a quotient, which the result 6, and then remainder is r is a remainder, so 3, and denominator will be same, which is 7. So 6 3 by 7 is our answer. So this format you need maximum 2 to 3 minutes. So it's not so hard but very important. So improper to mixed fraction is a common practice around the world by long division method. So this video you can learn how to find out the value improper to mixed fraction by long division method, and earlier video you will get without long division method, similar result and everything is same, but method is different. So one is a division method, another one is without division method. So no more today. This is my channel named SatX, where you will get lots of things based on math. Please share my channel with your friends and don't forget subscribe the channel. Thank you.